Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Inspector General ka BSF Meghalaya Ynda Singh Rana habakran siya ka jingbu ki jingker ki zero line area ulay thu bakani ka siyang ka jingray ka sarkar India ulaong bakini ki jaka ki deban pedda ka border gateway protocol hakaba menta ki dang pansateng ya ki jingekran borloong bakin sa Pyntreikam hado bakin dayo Jingbit naka BGP Urana ulaong ru ba menta ki lasdang manbu hagi jaka kaput dagi jingpensyai banyu bat kumju ru dagi jaka balabu dagi kor CCTV camera ki drone khanang balna bante lakam na kinu ki jingja ulaong ru bakasyong hakaru komlong ga jaka banbu dagi bor yada lakalong hagi jaka klaw lani gi jaka lum bat kiwe
No, zero line issue, it is the government policy. We cannot resolve it. Whatever government will decide, that will be communicated.
So, 2 years back, the government of India and government of Bangladesh has agreed in certain area that the fencing will be constructed from zero line. So, can we know which are those areas? I think four areas.
No, there are specific patches actually where some villages are right on the border. We have identified those patches and we keep on taking up with the BGB because the BGB's concurrence is required on those patches. And sometimes during meetings it gets delayed. But we are hopefully progressing well in that direction also. And whenever we get the permission, and it will be conveyed to everyone. Always we keep on trying to erect the fencing. The border roads which are is constructed by the CPWD, we are always trying to improve the infrastructure. We are always trying to improve the lighting of the international border on the fencing also. 3 or 4 areas we are already working regularly on that. No, we are using it. We are using it here drones. We are using it as CCTV cameras. We are using PTZ cameras. We are using it, and we are buying new this techniques also.
We have been hearing for a long time that the technology will be the force multiplier, but we have not seen the sensors and all that are being used in the western front. It's not been used.
Well, the force multiplier, we have to see what type of ground situation is there. In mountainous terrain, forest terrain, in riverine terrain, the force multipliers, they have got some limitations. As per that limitation, we are working on the patches which can get maximum benefit.
Sensors and defense.
No, we are using this PTZ cameras, CCTV cameras. They are having inbuilt sensors and they are recording everything. We cannot tell where we have installed them. That is, we are doing that.
What about manpower in the BSF? Because that has been an issue for a long time.
No, we have got sufficient manpower. We are managing whatever manpower we have got, we are managing it very well.